Richlovestech, new episode today. Gonna be unboxing the Rode Videomic NTG. Not gonna really do like a crazy review or anything. Just gonna take it downstairs, throw it on the workbench, and unbox it so everybody can see what's in the box. Super excited about this thing. Up until now, I've been using these little Rode Video Micros right here. I really like them. They get pretty good sound quality. I have one for my iPhone, one for the SLRs. But back in the day when I was in college and I first started kind of getting interested in video, the NTG mics were what I always used to check out on campus. So when I saw this Rode Videomic NTG that I could just mount right on top of my SLR, I was like, I have to have this thing. So enough talking about it. I'm going to take it downstairs, crack this box open so you guys can see what's inside. Okay, so for our sound test, this is the Rode Videomicro plugged into the SLR. Sound on the SLR is all the way down, and we're going to do the Anchorman sound test. How now, brown cow? How now, brown cow? Unique, New York. Unique, New York. Okay, now we're going to switch to the Videomic NTG. I got the gain set to 7. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I'm going to throw this bad boy on and do the same test. So now it's about, the gain's about halfway up on the mic, all the way down on the camera. How now, brown cow? How now, brown cow? Unique, New York. Unique, New York.